That's right, ladies and gentlemen. The moment you've all been waiting for. We are testing. The next sound system is our ISO 10 with the CSW 221 dual 21-inch bass bin. That is the ISO 10 with the dual 21 bass bins. You are welcome to walk further back. Remember, this is a line array sound system. You are welcome to stand further back to check the coverage of the sound system.
The cards as a meditation, and those he plays never suspect. He doesn't play for the money he wins. He doesn't play for respect. He deals the cards to find the answer. The sacred geometry of chance, the hidden law of a probable outcome. The numbers lead a dance. I know that the spades are the swords of a soldier. I know that the clubs are weapons of war. I know that diamonds money for this art, but that's not the shape of my heart.
Awa, awa, I will try it like a ganja. Awa, awa, kodwa sensukwini zanamhlanje. Awa, awa, sibona kwenzeka kanjani. Awa, awa, amantombazane ayazo.
She's a rich girl, she don't try to hide it. Diamonds on the soles of her shoes. He's a poor boy, empty as a pocket, empty as a pocket with nothing to lose. Sing ta-na-na, ta-na-na-na. She got diamonds on the soles of her shoes. Ta-na-na, ta-na-na-na. She got diamonds on the soles of her shoes. 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 Say she's crazy, she got diamonds on the soles of her shoes. Well, that's one way to lose these walking blues. Diamonds on the soles of your shoes. She was physically forgotten, but then she slipped into my pocket with my car keys. She said, you've taken me for granted because I pleased you. Wearing these diamonds. And I could say, ooh, as if everybody knows what I'm talking about. As if everybody here would know exactly what I was talking about. I'm talking about diamonds on the soles of her shoes.
Ladies and gentlemen, We are experiencing technical difficulties. Warning, this is a total blackout. Please stand by as we are currently testing our systems. Testing lighting equipment, LED screens. Testing blinders. Testing lasers. Testing 3D video. Okay, we are about to do a full frequency sweep. 20 hertz. 50 hertz. 200 hertz. 440 hertz. 1 kilohertz. 2 kilohertz. 5 kilohertz. 10 kilohertz. Okay. Subwoofer kick test. Balance check. Left channel. The sound should now be at the left speaker. Right channel. The sound should now be at the right speaker. Left channel. Right channel. Left channel. Right channel. Left channel. Right channel. Left channel. Right channel. Left, right, 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 left, right. This is a test.
Till the sun shines down and the moon comes out and we're dancing again. How long till the stars realign and I know that you're mine and we're dancing again. Sun shines down and the moon comes out and we're dancing again.
Ladies and gentlemen,